We have the Solitude 310GK and very happy with it. It's a 2017 model. The best part I like about it is the openness in the back compared to the other unit that we had. It's just more livable for us. Okay, well, we came to picking out Grand Design because a friend of ours at a campground was a Grand Design owner, and he told us about it and he showed us the unit, and we really liked the product and how they serviced his product that he had, his trailer. So the next RV camping show that we went to, we checked it out and we were real happy with that. So we bought one, and then that same year we went to the Grand Design Rally in Indiana, and it was a great time. Oh, they're great. I really enjoyed them. And actually, one of the other things that we had to have fixed was our radio wouldn't play a DVD. So they came in very professional. They were in and out. Very nice to deal with as far as the work and customer relationship. They made me feel kind of like part of a family. Rather than just someone come in and say, hey, we're here to fix your unit, in and out. But no, they spent some time with us and we had some conversation, so it's pretty good.